Today we're here with our 1986 Mercedes-Benz. Has another problem. This keeps popping out. It seems that the plastic here shrunk down and it pushed it out. And it popped the glue over here, here. So we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut it down. This one, this one, and let's see if it pushes back in. Oh, it pushed back in. There it goes. Both lights work. So it seems that the plastic shrunk down and pushed it out. I put some silicone here, put some dabs over here, and everything. Now we're going to push it back into place. And we will let it dry. And we'll turn it up. Let's see. Should I put the rubber bands on it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll put some rubber bands on it just to keep some pressure on there. And one more. And we'll leave it up so it doesn't drip. And we'll let it dry and see how it turns out. It's 12 hours later. Our silicone sample is dry that we left on a piece of paper. And now we can take off the rubber bands that are holding it in place. And it looks good. It's not going to fall off. It's on there. So, looks like a job well done. Let's see if the lights work. Good, the lights even work. Now if we look at our driver's side visor, this is starting to show signs that it's starting to pop out. It's starting to come out. That's because the plastic in back is shrinking. But we're going to leave it for now. It's still okay. And that one works. That's good. So the silicone is holding and it's a job well done.